Whether you consider it a lifted wagon or a crossover, the 2018 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack offers plenty for the urban and suburban commuter. Here's 5 things you should know. Every Alltrack makes do with 170 horsepower inline-4 mated to standard all-wheel drive. 4-driven wheels doesn't make fuel economy any better, but if you're worried about heavy winters, all-wheel drive offers a little extra peace of mind. The Golf is well composed, soaking up bad roads thanks in part to the extra ride height it has over its sport wagon sibling. If you opt for a lower trim with smaller wheels and thicker tires, the ride gets even better. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on every trim, from the base's 6-inch infotainment screen to the top trim's 8-inch. If you were only going to get the most expensive trim for its navigation, smartphone mirroring could save you some serious cash. With 30 cubic feet of available space, the Alltrack outstores both the Subaru Crosstrek and the Mini Clubman, and it's just a few cubic feet behind the much larger Subaru Outback. Need to move a bike without a rack? The Alltrack can do it easy peasy. The Volkswagen Golf is one of VW's most important models, and it feels the part. While it's on the straightforward side, the cabin feels more premium than its $27,000 starting price belies. If you want a car that feels solidly built, the Alltrack is a good way to go. It's a wonder what some body cladding and all-wheel drive will do for a station wagon. The Alltrack offers a solid ride and an equally solid complement of standard technology without breaking the bank. If you're not entirely sold on SUVs, do not overlook this lifted wagon.